Hey, good morning, physics for engineers. Topic electricity and magnetism, chapter 9. So, adi na kita ha magnetism part ini nga problems. Ay na tala ni. We start with problem 1. A particle with a charge of negative 1.24 times 10 to the negative 8 coulomb is moving with instantaneous velocity v, which is 4.19 times 10 to the 4 meters per second. It is a unit vector plus negative 3.85 and so on and so forth. What is the force exerted in this particle? By a magnetic field. So, ang magnetic field nimo is A and then you have B. So, I guess this is just a direct substitution. Direct substitution, you look at your formulas. May formulas nga di. That force is just a product of your instantaneous velocity times your field, electric field, tapos times QV cross B. So Q, particle with charge, di man, no? QV, tapos adi V, you have V. So, I think pwede talaga igdiretso calculator naton solver. Ayan, nakballpen didi. Ballpen. Now, I'm looking for my pen. Where is my pen? Where's your pen? Yeah, de. So, at an equation didi is that force that force magnitude and direction in terms of vector is QV cross B field. So this is a this is a scalar product, while the F is a vector product of scalar QV multiplied by V. Actually, pwede na i-diretso. Substitute kita by calc. So, ibutang tayo yung mga value. That is negative 1 point. Times 10 to the negative 8. So, column, normal month units. And then V is 4.19. 4.19 exponent to the 4 I hat negative 3.85 85 times 10 to the 4. So, 2 dimension ini. J hat. Sa pwede na dirabatangan ng unit. Para ang tanalaan na unit. So, I guess tama man tiya unit nga magawas. And then, cross B, that is 1.4. So letter A, B is 1.4 T I hat. 1.4 T I hat. So this is your B. So pwede tayo diretso ha calculator actually. Napakayan magnitude direction. What is the force? So sa meron nga ni force, so that is duhaya magnitude and direction. So, pwede ko i-diretso calculator. Makadto ako ha vector mode. Number 8. So, vector A na akon 1. So, that is 2 dimension. So, that is 4.19 exponent negative 4. Tapos, negative 3.85 exponent 4, positive 4. Kaya sa negative 4? So mga positive 4. Positive 4. Adi 4.19 exponent 4. Tapos ang akong vector B 1.40i. 1.40i. Vector B sa vector data number 2 vector B. So 2 by 2 1.40 40i ha, tapos 0. So taki mo on is cross. So times ko din dito. So negative 1.24 exponent negative 8 times shift vector A tapos times shift vector B, and the answer is adini answer 0 0 6.68 negative 6.68 times 10 to the negative 4. So this must be in terms of Newton na units. Column ade column multiply na nimo velocity meters per second mo electric field unit of electric field magnetic field, magnetic field is B, electric field is E. Tesla 1 Newton per ampere meter, 1 Tesla. So 1.4 Tesla. Ano yung unit dili nga Tesla? 1 Tesla is 1 Newton per ampere meter. So iniya coulomb per second is equal to ampere. So ito ampere meter ini. Ampere meter so pwede ko i-convert Newton na ini. Kaya ini ampere matmagaw ni ampere meter. So ini magiging Newton. Tapos didili watt magiging na Newton. So Newton at magawas didi. So this is Newton in 3 dimensions. So pwede ka lasumering F Z. Actually F is equal to negative 6.68 times 10 to the negative 4 ij k hat. K hat. Yan. So that is kung ang aton ini drawing nga kuan, usually kasi aton drawing is right-handed ba? Negative das di amit x adi it y adi is positive z. right hand rule x x curl y positive sorry xyz sorry ni xy at y added z. So x curl z. X curl nga to y tas z added baw. So ibig sabihin aton answer is added din nga force. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Na perpendicular hadi to negative 6 force and 3 dimension unit force. The direction is x y positive y didi 0 0 tapos negative c. Paano man pasugad? Sama tagawas. Hay nako. Makore pa gini-imagine. Amot nagawas. Kung mano-mano, product vector naton, meaning kung mano-mano inihiya, mano-manohon ta ha. Nag-loading kasi ako. Inihiya multiplied hadi. So that is negative 1.24 exponent negative 8 times 4.19 exponent 4. So magiging kunin niya negative 5.1956 times 10 to the negative 4 I hat plus negative 1.24 times negative 3.85 exponent 4. So positive dd plus 4.774 times 10 to the negative 4 j hat tapos cross in 1.40 I hat. So pag ij I think inila nga duhat ginta times kay hiraton ij tapos ijk kasi ito ya tapos tipakadto kay mada mana. So inihira nga duha kay parehira I. So I think the formula for the vector ato ito chapter 1. Kita na lang dito chapter 1 nga formula. I think the formula for vector ang sugad that is ax by ax by cz kung duha la ax by tapos maging I hat tapos ay bz amin magiging AYBZ is J hat. Tapos plus AZ BX. Ito maging K hat. So AZ IJ AYBZ AY sorry kung ano't waray. So AYBX. So AYBX kami dara siya tat formula. In manumano niya, what I'm talking is manumano niya. Ito chapter 1 anaton vector. I think the formula is AX BY amon hiya iton K hat anwaray era XY. So or formula. So ibig sabihin tuunahan kung I hat an imo, that should be an AY BZ yan AYBZ. Tapos an imo this is the I hat, an imo K hat Y, so that would be a AZ BX. This is the J hat. Tapos an imo K is AX BY, that is the K hat. So AX BY adin imo AX BY AY BX pwede AY BX, pwede AX BY AY kaya pwede mo lang magbalik BYAX. Kita na gula chapter 1 kita on ta chapter 1 dito kasi ito dito ito pa ditohan wadi man CZAXBY AXBY AYBX AXBY kumbaga AXBY mugad kami na di-delete AXBY sa aton ni mano is AXBY an imo lang kasi Y and may component, ibig sabihin an imo X. So let's say an FX nimo ini nga 0 actually, ini nga 0 kasi that would be a AYBZ minus AZBY. So kung amin ni atong katekangan an imo lamay da is X nganhin Y tapos adi Z. So ini AY times BZ AYBZ, this is FX. AY BZ. So may da combined with AYBZ AZBY and AZ AYBZ. So waray ini this is BX that may da adi, this is AX this is AY. So yan na AY multiplied by BZ adi kasi is BX. So waray BZ 0 ini. AZBY AZ waray Z, so 0 gap ini. Okay, nga di kita FY. Ang FY naton is AZBX minus AXBZ. So AZ, so waray 0, kaya ni mo AZ di waray. Ani mo AX is adi may da ini check, pero BZ waray kay BX la sa 0 na liwat. So nga di kita FZ. Ang FZ ni mo, yes, this is how it's done kung mano-mano. Sanglit pagtuong ka mo hiton kuan. AXBY AXBY waray BY, AXBY waray BY kay BX la, minus you have AYBX. So AY ini amo na ini BX. So that's why iton magawas line ni FZ la, meaning FZ la iton may da component at mo Z axis la iton may da component, which is AXBY AYBZ negative. So ma-negative inihiya ini, so negative. So ami to nag-negative 4.774 times 10 to the 4th J hat tapos cross 1.40. So ami to nga negative 6.68 times 10 to the negative 4 Newton. So K hat. Z la kasi ni mo may da component. So K hat. That is your force on a magnetic field. Ato kasi tiya maokurha ikatulo nga dimension. Hani mo duduha ka nagtatapo. Ani mo kasi sa adaha X, ani mo sa adaha X. 2 dimension ani mo sa ano sa 1 dimension. Pero ha X la. Okay? Sa amin ito nakuha ya mano-mano. That's why mag-aram ka mo hadi, diretso. Bata nagipakita ko yung mano-mano nga pag-solve using the formula nga na diretso yung calculator. Okay? Thank you guys for listening.